Today we have a video from Street Law, and the title of the video is Driver Refuses to Exit the Vehicle, Flees Police Instead.
2025, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle after it was observed traveling 50 miles per hour in a 35 zone.
What's going on? I'm sorry?
Can you turn the light off?
No? Who else you got in the car? Just
Nobody.
You?
Can you turn the light off my face?
Okay. One, you're speeding. Two, you failed to use the signal to change lanes. It's called improper lane usage and failed to signal.
Is you CPD? Who is you?
Elsa,
Okay, what you want?
do you have your driver's license and insurance, sir?
No.
Why not? Do you have a state ID? Do you have some kind of identification to show me who you are?
No need.
All right, what's your name? Keep your hands up on the steering wheel.
Is you CPD or something? Who is
I'm
you?
with
like,
Elsa.
Like, who
Elsa
you supposed
Police
to be?
Department. What do you mean by that? Who am I supposed to be? I'm the police, with the Elsa
You
Police
get that
Department.
light out my face though. You see me, bro? Why you got the light on my face?
Okay. Put your hands down and relax a moment.
You just
sir.
said put my hands on the wheel. Now you saying put them down.
Right.
So which one
I
is
don't
it?
want your hands in my face right now. That's why.
I don't want light in my face. Can you get the light out
You
my
don't
face?
have that choice right now, sir.
That's not do. You see me talking. Can you get the light out my
Get your
face?
hands. All right, step out of the car.
Get the light out my face.
Sancho, step it out. Get out of the car. Jeremiah, it's time to step out of the car. Jeremiah, it's time to step out of the car.
What I'm stepping out for?
Because you're going to be under arrest for battery to PO. Get out of the car.
No, I didn't do that.
Jeremiah, you're obstructing identification also. Time for you to step out of the car, Jeremiah.
What? I don't have no ID. I told you that.
You need to step out of the car.
I don't got no reason to.
Time for you to step out of the car, Jeremiah.
No reason to.
Jeremiah,
For what?
all right. Because you're going to be under arrest. That's why.
For what?
Step out of the car.
No, for what? I don't got no reason to.
Step out of the car. Keep your hands where I can see
I
them.
don't got no reason to.
Get out of the car, Jeremiah.
Hey, you gotta call somebody, bro. You gotta stop putting on my door.
Step out of the car, Jeremiah.
What?
Because you're under arrest. That's why.
I'm not under
You're under arrest for obstructing.
I'm not under arrest.
Get out of the car, Jeremiah. Let's go. Time to get out of the
I
car.
didn't do nothing to get under arrested, bro. You just told me.
You just did.
What I do?
You're
I moved the
obstructing.
light out my face. Get
You're
the light out my
obstructing.
face.
Get out of the car,
I don't gotta
Jeremiah.
let you keep the light in my face.
Step out of the car.
No, bro.
Time for you to step out of the car, Jeremiah. Come on.
For what?
10-4 for now. Step out of the car.
What?
I just told you why. You're under arrest now. It's time for you to step out of the car.
I don't got no reason to. I'm not under
I
arrest.
just gave you a reason. Time for you to step out of the car.
Not to get arrested, bro. I don't know what you.
I just gave you a reason why you need to get out of the car. You're under arrest.
So you
Get
got
out of the
right-
car.
You got the right to keep the light in my face.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't. You see me.
Step out of the car. I'm going to break the window if you don't.
And I'm gonna drive off.
Then you're going to have additional charges on you for felony.
No, I don't. You can't just break the window. Who was you?
You're obstructing my investigation now. Time to get out of the car. Let's go. Come on.
Just call somebody, bro.
I have people here. They're right here.
Just finish with the whatever you got.
Then get out of the car. I'm not done because you're under arrest. That's why.
Arrest. You said
Let's
you
go,
put me
Jeremiah.
over, I'm not using my cell
All right,
phone.
I'm going to break the window right now. Let's go. Central, he's taking off. Eastbound 119th Street.
Eastbound 119th Street. Is that a description of him?
Male, black, gray sweatshirt, tattoos on his hands.
Male, black, sweatshirt, tattoos on his head.
He flies past me down Pulaski over there. Cuts me off. He's doing 50. Doesn't use his signal. Cuts me off. I pull him over. Tell him why I pulled him over. Ask for his identification. Tell him to keep his hands in his steering wheel. I got my flashlight on. Hits my hand with his hand. Get the flashlight out of my face, he says. I said, now you need to step out of the car. Time for you to get out of the car. He says, for what? I said, right now you're obstructing identification and my investigation. Time for you to get out of the car.
So that's the 50 guys following or no?
Negative.
Never. I'll just going to release you 22, 28 hours.
Just so you know, I went code 2 from 127
Yeah,
last
he was
week.
getting squirrely. I asked for you guys to step it up, so I appreciate it.
I'm just gonna step it up and
Yeah.
ask for your status.
Yeah,
You weren't answering, so I didn't get on the radio to say code 2, but I just let me know.
I'll type it up, so I appreciate it. Okay. Thanks, guys.
The next day, officers contacted the man by phone to see if he would turn himself in.
They didn't even care. They didn't even care that he took off. They didn't even care. They're just like, yeah, we're going to catch up with him later, you know. But the thing that stuck out to me, honestly, is that, boy, people will drive a piece of shit as long as it's got a name brand on it. It's a BMW. But did you hear the sounds? That thing is a piece of garbage, okay? Just to say I drive a BMW. Listen, I'd rather take, I don't know, a Honda Civic, Hyundai Accent, Chrysler 200, 300, whatever, something that's in good shape, you know, it look good, you know what I mean, than to get me a older, beat up BMW, okay? That shit sounds like that shit making all types of noises. It's like, give it up. It's over with. But yeah, man, this guy, he deserved to go to jail. He think he running the show, you know. It don't work like that, man. Get your hand, get the light out my face, yada yada. And the cop wasn't even really flashing it in the beginning. Of course, he flashed the light in his face or whatever. But for the most part, he tilted down. So when he complained initially, he did tilt it down. So the light was flashing like towards on the door, not actually like in his face anymore. But the more he kept saying it and stuff, now he started flashing it back in his face, because it's like, wait, hold on, because now we at night. You want the light off real bad. So it's like, wait, hold on, are you hiding something? That's what could be going on. But anyway, let's get back into it.
Hello. Hi, this is Sergeant Riley with the Elsa Police Department. Is this Jeremiah?
Yes.
How are you today?
Good.
Good. The reason I'm calling is in regards to the traffic stop last night that you were involved with.
Yeah.
All right. We're asking that because of what occurred, that you turn yourself in to the Elsa Police Department for several traffic complaints that were written against you for that incident.
You said turn myself in?
Yeah, that's what we're asking. You know, if you're willing to do that, we can obviously get you processed and issue the citations to you for what occurred with that, and then release you right away. If, however, you choose not to cooperate and we have to go get a warrant, there's a good chance that when the warrant is issued, if you do get arrested, that you'd end up having to stay overnight in jail until you see a judge the next day.
I don't know, what is it for though? Like,
well, there's traffic violations, several traffic violations, and then when you push the officer's hand away with the flashlight, that was considered a battery.
He had the flash in my face, I moved his hand.
Right, that was considered a battery to a police officer. No, that's not a felony, you know, because there was no injury or anything, but you can't have any unlawful contact with the police like that. So.
No, he had the flash in my face. I kept asking him, keep moving. He said, I told him he didn't have the right to do it.
Right.
He said, yeah. And I'm telling him, like, no, and I moved the flashlight. I didn't push himself or nothing. I just moved it.
Okay. All right, and then taking off from the scene, too. That's considered fleeing and eluding.
No, because he was trying to bust my window. I'm like, no, you ain't got the right to do that. He was yanking on my car, trying to open my car, like pull me out the car. And he started busting on my window.
Okay. All right. So that's why there's court. All right. You'll have the opportunity to tell the judge if you want with an attorney, whatever you'd like, however you would like to handle that in court, to be able to tell them your side of the story as well. So, and I know that everything is on body camera, and it was all recorded. I did have the opportunity to see that myself. So if you're willing to turn yourself in and get this taken care of before we have to go get a warrant, that would be greatly appreciated.
I don't even know where to turn myself in to.
Okay. Elsa Police Department. All right. And do you have a pen and paper so I can give you the address?
No.
All right. If you Google it, it should come up with the address of.
I can just type it in.
What's that?
You can see it, but I can just type it in.
Yeah. Yeah. It's.
Please provide the full address, including state.
Yeah, it says 18 minutes.
Yeah, we're on 123rd, right in between Costner and Cicero Avenue. So wherever you're coming from, if you're still in the Roseland, Chicago area over there, yeah, it's probably about right, about 20 minutes or so.
All right, so what exactly is happening now?
We're asking that you turn yourself in so that you can be processed for the complaints that were brought against you for what occurred yesterday with the traffic violations that you had, and again, the complaints for the battery to the officer, and the fleeing and eluding. So I believe you were pulled over for some speeding, lane violations, and failed to signal. And then throughout that investigation, it was also learned that you have a suspended license.
Yeah.
So, you know, it probably could have been a lot easier and less citations if there was a little bit of compliance on scene at the time of that from you with the officer, you know, but it is what it is. I understand. Hopefully we can get this taken care of now. You can go to court and get things worked out there.
Right, that's what I'm saying. They trying to hold me.
No, I can't. We can't hold you based on the charges that are that have been prepared for you. So they're all misdemeanor charges. We'll release you right away, give you a court date of when you got to go back to court, and then after that, it's history for the most part. Once the court decides what to do with everything, and whatever you work out with your attorney, the judge, and the state's attorney, it goes from there.
All right, so you saying I can come right now, or like
yeah,
wait till tomorrow or something?
Yeah, if you want to come now, that's fine. We're here.
All right, I'll be there.
All right, when you get here, go to the upstairs vestibule. There's a phone on the wall. All right, and that phone on the wall, that's right to our dispatch center. Just let them know you're here to speak to Sergeant Riley.
Sergeant Riley.
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 Yep.
All right.
All right.
All right.
Thank you, Jeremiah.
Okay.
Bye.
The man was charged with battery, resisting arrest, obstructing, and multiple traffic violations. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, be sure to
Yeah, I mean, pretty self-explanatory, but that's just stupid, man. But there's always a reason why they flee. And the real reason is that the reason why this escalated is not about no light. It's because his license is suspended. That's the real reason, okay? It's something wrong with his license. It ain't about no light in your eye, you know? But whatever. People make dumb decisions all the time, man. This is just another one. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.